everyone, it's Miss Kelly from the Mifflin County Library. I have a fun experiment for you to do today at home. You need some cans. I have a couple Coke cans here. You really only need one, but I have two for today's experiment. And I have a pitcher of water. You can use a bottled water. You can just use water out of your sink tap, whatever you have available to you. You want to make sure this experiment is done on a nice flat surface and somewhere that it's okay if it gets wet. It might make a little bit of a mess, but let's hope not. So what I want to do today with my can is try to balance it. Do you see that edge? I'm going to try and balance it, and my cans are empty. Right on its edge. If I lean it there and let it go, let's see if it will balance. It doesn't. It doesn't. What needs to happen is we need the center of gravity right there for it to balance. In order for it to balance with the center of gravity, we're going to put some liquid into there. Now, if you were drinking a can of soda and you drank it down a little bit, you might be able to try this too, but I'm going to recommend water to start with because water is not sticky like soda is. Let's see. I put just enough water in to check that out. My can is balancing with the center of gravity. Now, the center of gravity helps your body balance too. If you've ever ridden a skateboard or surfed and you stand on it, you kind of have to wiggle as the waves move you or the board rolls down the road. The center of gravity in your body helps you to balance on the board, just like the water is providing some center of gravity in the can. Now, I just put about a quarter of a cup of water in there. Let's see if I put a little bit less in there, just a little bit. Let's see if this can will balance. I didn't put enough in there, and watch what's going to happen. It's going to fall, and if I didn't catch it, it would probably have spilled all over the place. Now I'm going to put a little bit more in there. Let's see if I feel the can. It's about halfway. Let's see if it will balance. It has balanced again. Now let's see if I fill the can almost to the very tippy top, what will happen. You can play around with this at home and add different amounts of water. Okay, my cans are filled almost to the very top. Let's see if I can balance it. You can see as I tip the can, the water's even starting to come out. There it goes, dribbling all over my table. And if I let go, it's gonna spill. Look, I've made a big puddle. This is why you want a nice, flat, clean surface. And don't do it over a carpet, because if you spill on your carpet, I don't think your grown-ups will be very happy. You definitely don't want to do this experiment on a couch. Now, I have one more fun thing to show you before I go. My can that's balancing, if I give it a little push, let's see if it'll work. It will spin around with that center of gravity. So it's sort of like a fun magic trick I can do with the can. And it can just keep spinning as I push it. Maybe you can even swirl the water inside. I don't know if that'll work. Let's try it. Swirl the water inside, and I'll lay it down. Let's see. Oh, I thought maybe it would go, but it won't. Play with it at home. See if you can get it to do some more fun things. I hope you have fun with this project. Have a great day. Bye.